Hi everyone, welcome back to Doctor's Diet Home. As we all know, coronavirus mainly spreads through the droplets of an infected person. So to avoid the spread of this infection, it is very important for us to use a mouth mask. But same mouth mask when used in a wrong way can be more dangerous than coronavirus, because I see so many mistakes and mishaps happening in the society with the wrong use of this mouth mask. Also, I see so many people having many doubts about it. So I thought I would make a video on it. So here is everything that you should be knowing about mouth mask. I hope you watch this video till the end and you also share it with your family and friends. So without any delay, let's quickly get into the video. So basically we have three types of masks available in the market. A cloth mask, surgical mouth mask and N95 masks. WHO recommends general population to use a simple cloth mask which is layered and made out of pure cotton. These cloth masks are easily accessible by a common man and also allows a comfortable breathing while protecting you from virus. Whereas surgical mouth masks cannot be used more than once. Also, they lose their stiffness, becomes wet and soft very soon. Though N95 masks are believed to provide extra care and protection, they challenge easy breathing. So these masks are not for everyone. People with medical issues and small children do not use N95 masks. Especially N95 with respirators should not be used by anybody, as the front opening will not stop the air that we exhale. So there are chances of virus coming outside into the air and infecting others. It is for this reason health authorities suggest not to use this mask at all. So these surgical masks and N95 masks are meant to be used by those people who are in direct contact with the COVID patients, like doctors, other healthcare professionals. Otherwise, for the rest of the people, a simple cotton cloth mask is best. Everyone before heading outside should wear a mouth mask, except for small children. Children aged below the 5 years should not wear mouth mask, as their lungs are not matured enough. Mask will impair their breathing, leading to high risk of suffocation. This is the major mistake I see everywhere. Wearing mask while jogging, walking and exercising. During these activities, our body requires more oxygen. If you are wearing mask while doing these activities, you are putting yourself into major risk. If you are alone and distant from others, you don't have to wear mask, but wear it when your place is crowded. Similarly, if you are alone in your car, avoid mask, but if you are sharing your ride with others, then wear a mask. And home isolated patients and their caretakers should wear a mask even inside the house. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly or sanitize them before wearing any type of mask. Stretch mask between your ears, covering nose, mouth and chin. Make sure the mask is fitting perfectly. It should be tight and comfortable, so that the air doesn't pass through your lower eyelash. Once you put mask on, do not touch or pull it under the chin, because when sneezed or coughed, particles will be in the mask. If you touch the mask and touch the other surfaces with the same hands, there is high risk of contamination. It is very important to change your mask every 4 to 6 hours, especially if you are outside for long time. Do not use same mouth mask whole day, especially in crowded areas. Sanitize your hands before and after changing mask. And do not share your mask with anybody. Don't use same mask without washing. You should not really remove mask as you like. Never touch the front part of the mask. Pull out the straps behind your ears and always remove it from the back side of your head. After removing mask, do not keep it anywhere on the table, cots or hang it anywhere. Dispose mask immediately in a safe way. If it is a surgical mask, make sure you wrap it in a plastic bag and throw it in a bin. If it is a cloth mask, wash with hot water and dry it in sun. Clean your hands after disposing mask. So, mask is not just a simple thing. Till vaccine comes, mask is only our savior. So, carefully use mask and keep yourself protected.